Do you have a streaming service like Netflix, and do you need another streaming media option? And do you want to know how to get it on discount? I will show you how to do it in this video. Paramount Plus is one that has carved out a unique space in the crowded streaming landscape, offering a mix of live sports, an expanding library of original content, and a deep well of titles from the Paramount global family. Paramount Plus offers extensive live sports coverage. This includes major events like UEFA Champions League Soccer, NFL on CBS, NWSL, Serie A, and various other sports like golf and rugby. It offers thousands of episodes and movies from CBS, Paramount Pictures, Nickelodeon, MTV, Comedy Central, BET, Smithsonian, and more. Depending on your plan, you can access live CBS channels, CBS News 24/7, CBS Sports HQ, and curated themed channels. Now, let me show you how to get Paramount Plus discount on its 4K subscription plan. And yes, it is a genuine Paramount Plus account. Paramount Plus has 3 monthly plans, basic with ads, standard and premium. The premium plan includes 4K UHD streaming quality and currently costs $13.99 per month. So, how are we getting discounts for premium subscriptions? One method that I have tried for a few years now is the subscription sharing method. There is a subscription sharing service that I have used for Netflix and Paramount Plus. It is called Gamsgo, and they enable you to share any premium subscription on offer at a much cheaper price. This is how you do it. Click the discount link provided in this video comment or description. On the website, there are a lot of subscriptions on offer. I am interested on Paramount Plus, which costs as low as $5 plus a month. For more details, click the View More Details link. The details of what's provided are mentioned here. And if you have further doubts, the FAQ section answers these questions. If you choose the 3 months package, the cost per month is $6.10. For 6 months, it costs $5.84 per month. For 12 months, it goes down to $5.81 per month. The monthly subscription becomes cheaper the longer you subscribe. The prices shown are current when this video was recorded and may change. You can also activate the auto-renewal for peace of mind. And you can watch on any of these devices: PC, TV, mobile, tablet, and game consoles. To subscribe to Paramount Plus, click the Join Now button. You get to choose a one-time payment option or auto-renewal. Both support various payment methods for convenience. Once purchased, let me show you how the subscription account details look like. When you log into your Gamsgo account, you can check your purchases under the Subscriptions tab. Here, you can see Netflix and Paramount subscriptions listed under my account. The Paramount Plus username and password are also displayed here. The login details can be used on various devices. I tested on my mobile phone, computer, and TV box, and the streaming service works without any issue. Click the discount link that I've provided in the pinned comment or video description to get cheaper subscriptions for streaming videos or music, AI services, software, reading, learning, and more. Gamsgo has been adding new services over the years, and with the cheaper price due to sharing, you get to try various subscriptions without spending a lot of money. That's all for this review, and I hope this video guided you to save money with subscription services. On TechTube TV, I make easy-to-understand videos on technology-related topics. If you like my content, please consider clicking the subscribe button to follow my future video uploads. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.